Hello folks, Rashid here. Thank you so much for joining. And today I'm bringing another video and we will do another tutorial, another important topic in Python that we are going to practice. And just few more videos left and we will be done with the basic tutorial of Python. And after that, we will move on to our core topic of implementing RISC-V assembler and then simulator in Python. Okay. All right, so let's get started. Today's topic is dictionary. I think I did mention it during the data types, but I thought I should do a dedicated video on that because it's an important data type. So if you are coming from Perl or other languages, there were two important data types that we use. One was the array. Okay, array was the list that equivalent of array, equivalent of Perl's array is the list that we went over in the last video. Okay, and there is another important data type in Perl language, which is hash. Okay, and the equivalent of that is the dictionary. So that data type we are going to look into how to define them, how to modify, update, remove things, print things, and check for the keys and all that. Okay, so yeah, do that practice with me on this simple example that I have, and I think that will give you a very good practice. Okay, so let's get started. I have this variable defined, as you can see, and just a database name Alice A30 city London. Okay, and I printed that and I executed that over here. All right, you can see that name, age, city London. So let's do a few more. What we can do is here. So a few more things, just like the listing that we did. Okay. Okay, so the first one I want to do is how you want to call a particular key. Okay, so print name. Oh, there you go. This is so cool. So I'm printing all the keys. Okay, so name, how you access it, just the name of the dictionary and whatever the key you had. Got it? So in a particular one, I mean, we just want to do one, and that's it. All right, that's good. So what if we want to modify something? So let's say we want to dictionary. Oh, there you go. Okay, so we added, and then this is how we access a particular key. So we want to change the value from 30 to 31. And there you go. You see in the new value is 31. Okay, so we go back. And what else? If we, I mean, in this way, you can even add the city. Or let's say you want to, yeah, I mean, you want to add a country. Okay. What happens now? All right, you have that added one. So you can add a new key to it. Okay. All right. How to check the size of it? Let's do this one again. And we can print and we can, let's see if it gets it size of dictionary. Should be able to guess now. Okay. So we use this variable and we can use that here too. So size is 3 because I executed this one, so the other updates that I had, those are gone. Okay, that's good. So what else? We can, okay, yeah, just it's exactly like list. So for example, if you want to do this, yeah, let's leave it like this. Okay. does city key exist? And okay, city in my dictionary. Is that good? Key exists true, right? This returns the Boolean value to get it exist. Okay, if I say country, that is false. Okay, what else I can show you? Okay, let's delete. Okay, we are deleting age, and let's see. So name, city, London, but age is gone. Okay, so you can delete a key with that. What else? There is another one using pub. So that says city is equal to yes. So we got um, my dictionary, we got the city. Okay, let's do print my. So a city is London. Okay, city, we pop into it and print city there, and now name Alice, city London. Okay, let's go back because we still have age. All right. Okay, what else? Okay, this was the get. So if we use pop, so get hasn't removed it from the actual list, but you will see that. So when you pop it, the city is gone. Okay, sorry, I thought I had popped it. What else you want to see? Yeah, let's do. You can also print like this. Print. Um, yeah, I already did it. Yeah, keys. I think another way you can get key is my. Oh yeah, there you go. So cool, isn't it? Yeah, so we got keys, all the keys here and all the values here. So let's do this one first and this. So these are name, age, city, all the keys, and the values are Alice, 30, and London. That's good. It's really cool. Right, what else? So let's do a two-dimensional. We used to have hashes like this. Let's do this one. Okay, let's define it here. Maybe I should take this one here. Okay. So what we can do is we can print. There you go. I wanted to. So row one, column one. If you want to access it, you access like this. So you just put these. This is these keys here, and within this, whichever you want to get. So there you go. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Make sense? Right. So what else we can do? What if we had just this? It's much easier than some of the other languages, even comparing to the Perl language, right? Things are much easier to print them, to access them, to define them. I think this language is super cool. I loved it. And I'm definitely have started coding more things in this than Perl. And I take help from AI, right? So I've stopped doing detailed coding and all these, but as I said, it's important to know some of the basic stuff there. Okay, what else? Let's do a three-dimensional. I already created those to save time. Let's, let's do. So you can see now I have a three-dimension, right? So layer one, then it has two subkeys, and each of them you have multiple columns. So item one is apple, item two is banana, and the row B. So you see, you can even build a complex thing like this. So if I, right, that's not that much easy to print, but you got the idea. And we will get to it. Okay, let's take a look at this. So important thing is you first put this one, then this layer two, and this is row A and the item number two, right? So you get what the fig. See that? So that's how you can even get a three-dimensional. So I had another example. For example, if you have simple numbers, right? Okay, so if I want to get, let's say, Alice first grade, student's grade, Alice 0. So this is first, then second, and third, right? So this is how you can get the first 0, and then 1 and 2. I mean, this is another way. These are in, you can put commas there, and then you can access them with 0, 1, 2. I think that's very handy as well. So a lot of these things we will use them with something like this. For example, let me here something. Let's look into this. So instruction map, right? Add. We have opcode is this. So you can see the very first. Then you put different values. Then you have another key func 3. They're all part of add. So add instruction has this opcode, this func3, this is func7. Sub has this opcode, this is func3, this is 7. Similarly others, right? So and then you can get something like this. So this one will give us first, yeah, let's look into this. So first it will give us everything for add I, right? The opcode and func3 doesn't have func7. And then if we want to get for load word, okay, instruction map dot get, this one we want to get everything, get this. So for this whole thing we are interested only in opcode, so you can just get opcode like this. Makes sense? All right, if we can also use it to do few other things, let's say register mapping. So remember we had 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like x0, x1, and then we had proper names for those, something like this, right? This. And then we can access something like this. Okay, so first of all, we want to get for SP. Oops. So SP is 2. All right, so I think we have gone over a dictionary as several dictionary variables, and I hope you understood those. And please practice those. And I will come with tomorrow, day after, with another important topic. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you pretty soon. Bye.